and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alex. I do all kinds of beauty videos, I test out things, and I just do a lot of random things. So if you like watching fun videos, then this channel is for you. That's right, I'm talking to you. So today I'm actually going to do another Earfleek unboxing. I'm really excited that they decided to partner with me again for this video. So I was sent this in exchange for an honest review, and we're going to open it together. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Let's go! We have here just the normal packaging that they sent last time, and on the back it's kind of the same thing. So I'm really curious to see what's in here, and yeah, let's see what's in here. So again, it looks like they did put in a card, so this is really awesome. Let's open the card first. And it looks like the same standard card that we got as last time, which is cool. The girl has extremely pretty hair. Looks like every time they send one, they send some sort of business card. Last time it was for a download. This time it's for bright sellers. So if anyone wants $30 credit off a wine box, feel free to use this code. I don't drink wine, so I'm not going to use it. So again, here it is if one of you guys would like to use it. So in here we have just standard packaging. It comes in bubble wrap, so your item will be well protected. And let me tell you, the hairband that they sent me last time has been like one of the best hairbands ever. It doesn't snag in my hair. I love it. So I'm really excited that they sent me another one. And it looks like this one is neon pink, which is pretty cool. And just from seeing the earrings, they are really awesome. Again, I'm going to leave the information down below if you would like to subscribe. I'm also going to leave a code for 50% off, so that's like $1.75, and it's like $3.50 every month, and you get a pair of earrings. You get to choose the type of earrings that you would like, which is really awesome. And I don't know about you guys, but I am super stoked for these. It looks like a type of Queen Elizabeth coin, which is super awesome. And this time they came in like a plastic bag. Oh, they are really heavy and really sturdy. So it looks like these are the fishhook ones, and I don't know how well you can see that. Here's a close-up of them. Oh, here they are on. They are really dangly and really awesome. I'm really excited and really happy that I got these. So if you guys like earrings and would like them to send you some, I'm going to leave the information down below, and I'm also going to leave the information on Instagram, so you can go to my Instagram. It's instagram.com/lovesugarshow. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time for the next unboxing. And again, thank you to Earfleek for sending me this awesome subscription, and I'm really excited to share it with all of you. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.